Hello, welcome you for my basic electronics engineering lecture on power devices, unit number 5. Today we will learn three basic power devices that are SCR, diac and triac. We will study its construction, characteristics and specifications and only the list of applications. Books recommended for this topic are from Khanchandani. Author name is Khanchandani, and the title is Power Electronics. Introduction. The term thyristor is a generic name for power devices, semiconductor switches like SCR, triac, diac, having 4 or more layers, and in essence, PNP sandwich electronic device and power device. The doping concept for making power device is different than regular devices. Heavily doped layers decides current rating, while lightly doped layers decides voltage rating of the device. The concept of uncontrolled device like simple PN junction diode and control device like SCR is very important for this chapter. Silicon control rectifier. A silicon control rectifier is a 4-layer solid state device that controls current flow. The name silicon control rectifier is trade name for the thyristor commercialized at Generic Electric in 1957. This is the symbol of SCR. The physical structure of SCR is it has 3 terminals and a case with a black body. 3 terminals are configured as terminal number 1 is cathode, terminal number 2 is anode, terminal number 3 is gate, and the fourth terminal is case where the heatsink can be mounted in case of large current requirement. So fourth terminal internally connected with anode, that is pin number 2 and 4. This is the internal structure of SCR named as it has 4 layers P1, N1, P2, N2. Externally here J1, J2, J3 are mentioned. This is nothing but junction 1. Internally P and N are connected, that is called junction J1. N1 and P2 are connected, that is called J2, and P2 and P3 and N4 are connected, that is junction J3. Here when anode is connected to positive and cathode is connected to negative and gate supply is not given, then J1 and J3 are forward bias but J2 is reverse biased. Then no current will flow through the device. This is the PNPN 4-layer internal structure of SCR, which indicates that it consists of one PNP transistor and another is NPN transistors. This is the two transistor analogy of SCR. When gate current is applied, then T2 will turn on. Due to T2 will turn on, then T1 will also turn on. But when gate current is removed, the still SCR will remain in on state. This action is known as a regenerative action of SCR. This is the unique feature of SCR. In short, we can say that when gate current is applied, then SCR will turn on. When it is removed, it will still remain in on state. That is the unique feature of SCR, which is nothing but latching condition of SCR. This SCR, this characteristic shows VI characteristic of SCR on x-axis voltage and y-axis current. This characteristics is